Hey, what's going on? Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're new, hey, subscribe up. We'll entertain you at least, if anything. But I want to talk about mounting a power tap or power strip, however you call these. But yeah, basically it's just, one prong to a bunch of outlets with a switch on it. Some of them are surge protect, some aren't, most are not. So don't call these surge protector unless you're actually buying a surge protector. What I want to do is mount this on the wall. Of course, I don't have the template. So what do? Do we just guess one hole and drill back? Try and just use a measuring tape and measure these two center holes? Yes, you can do that. I always have terrible luck with that. So I'm going to go over something real quick that I've used that seems to work just fine for me. Now, some power strips are different. This one is a triplet. The one I'm working on is another version. But yeah, some of them have two sets on the top and bottom for screw holes and slide in. But this will work for all of these, because this is actually even worse than what I'm trying to do. But it will work, so let's go ahead and get to it. Arts and crafts time, ladies and gentlemen. So the craft project will require a piece of computer paper. This is the easiest one to use. Any printer paper will work as long as it's squared on both sides here, because we're actually going to use this as a level as well. So we have a nice piece of leveled paper. Doesn't matter, as long as it's clear and you can see through it, that helps. Or at least one back side that's clear. So if you have junk mail, yes, you can use the other back white side is all you'll need. If there's print on the front, we only need a half sheet of paper actually, so it would be perfect for what to use junk mail coupons for. But then you of course need your power strip, power tap, whatever you call it, and a pencil or some graphite or whatever you have. So since we know this is a nice straight line, what I'm going to do is level it right here on this. Now wherever it matters, it does not on this sheet of paper. That's what I always do. And you just take it and rub right where the screw holes are. If you can see them, see how they divot in a bit? That's great. That's exactly what we want. Use your finger. There's another one down here. Make sure it's leveled up. If you want a power tap leveled on your wall or wherever you're mounting it. If you don't care, it doesn't matter if this is squared or not. But this will give you great distance. Now, back in the day, I don't know if anyone else ever went to a graveyard and did rubbings. I don't know what they call them, but as you can see, we're getting exactly what we need here, which is the layout of the screw holes. Now we're going to do it on the other side here as well. Please let me know if you did do that. I think everyone did it. We did it for a school project. Not like I was doing it at midnight or any of that stuff, chanting in a forest. So now we have our layouts here, and we know exactly where to put our screw holes. Now with this, and all of them, wherever you're going to actually land the power tap is what you want to concentrate on. So on the top side of these, center here is exactly where we want to drill holes. So what I always do is, if you're going to level it, put it wherever you want it leveled. Make sure you have a level on the bottom if it's on a wall, or if it's on a, what I'm going to do is the side of a table, and then use this. Put this there, make it level, and keep this on here, and then take your screws, which a lot of these don't come with screws anymore. I found a bunch that'll fit this, but they used to come with screws, but they don't. But if they don't, find some that'll fit, and all you want to do is be snug in here, be able to fit in here, and not pull out, because you don't want to have this thing put on there and hanging and then just pull out a plug. And yeah, so what we're going to do is fold this over, and we're going to go right in that center hole, and we're going to screw through it. We're going to use that center hole right there, The very top, screw through it. Same on this one, screw through it. It'll be level, it'll be easy. But yeah, an easy way to mount your power tap is just use basic stuff. Hope it helps somebody. Leave me comments down below with some fun, cool tips that you know, and I'm glad to implement them because everybody needs an easier life. All right, 73. Hope it helps you mount your Powerstrip. 73.